Newspaper. N stand for north, E for east, W for west, S stand for south, P stand for past, A stand for and, P stand for present, E stand for event, R stand for report. North, east, west, south, past and present event report. My mom and dad, my parents, my brother and sister, my siblings, my nephew and niece, my nibbling, my cousins, my aunts, and my uncles, my relatives. Date, date and time, evolution. Aim, ambition in mind. Pen, par enriched in nib. Cold, chronic obstructive lung disease. Chronic obstructive lungs disease. Chess, chariot, horse, elephant, and shoulders. Eat, energy and taste. 1 million has 6 zeros. 1 billion has 9 zeros. 1 trillion has 12 zeros. 6 trillion has 21 zeros. Decillion has 31 zeros. And centillion has how many zero? Can you tell me this one? Smallest odd number 1. Smallest even number 2. Smallest whole number 0. Smallest prime number 2. Smallest natural number 1. Smallest composite number. Can you tell me this one?